today for turning up in spite of the short notice that we gave him. He's also a very big man. He will introduce himself. He's doing a lot. Professor, I know you are very busy. Taking off time to come here has not been easy. We needed you 5 years ago, but at least today we've managed to snap you here. Can you clap yourself for that? Professor Okaka Dokotum is also the chairman board of trustees, Uganda National Cultural Center, and this falls within what he's doing. We also want to thank our guests from both far and wide, and special tributes to our Canadian friends, that is members of Canadian Teachers Federation, who are our development partners. We work with them very closely. I'm a member of Uganda National Teachers Union, and I think we shall give you time to greet. Maybe I should do it now. Yeah. These people are very important to us. Professor and all our guests here have learned a lot from the Canadian system. We were trying to do some capacity building for teachers in the region at Loro. For 1 week, we opened it on Monday. The program is on. They had 1 day, which is today, and their program was to tour one of the schools. So when I told them about the Lango Day at Wisdom High School, they said, why no, that's the best place to be in. And they have enjoyed every bit of things here, even the riddles that are done in Luo. They were understanding in spirit. Thank you for coming. They are teachers. They are teachers from Canada, but they lead the United of Canada to bring it home. There's one counterpart here, that is Deborah. She represents the high school at the Canadian Teachers Federation. And I'm very pleased to have you here, much as you have all these people, because we also represent teachers of Uganda, of secondary school at Uganda National Teachers Union. So she's my counterpart. Just wait for them to see you. She's in Uganda, and she's in Canada, I'm in Uganda. Thank you very much for coming. I think let me take this special time to give the team leader time to introduce the team and say what before I proceed. Thank you very much. You're most welcome, Michelle. So, you are making me learn now to carry Roma. Ni mudo mkeka learn now to carry Roma ko. Turkana ko.
Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? We are with the Canadian Teachers Federation, and we are so honored to have been able to observe and participate in your cultural gala today. My name is Madame Michelle. I am the team leader, and I'd like to introduce my team and colleagues, Deborah, Sandra, and Megan. We are working in collaboration with UNATU in a partnership that promotes quality education for all. We are so delighted to be here, and we hope that our partnership between the Canadian Teachers Federation and UNATU lasts for many years to come. Thank you very much. Apoyo Matek.
Thank you very much. Yeah, those are our special friends. And with due regard, there's one thing I've learned, Professor, and all of us here, that the Canadian education system is tailored to meet the specific needs of the environment where they work in. They are a bit of clustered. They don't have a uniform curriculum the way we're having. Because the biggest challenge with us in Uganda has been our curriculum, which is uniform, and yet the socio-economic dynamics of our different regions varies. So for them, they have a system where a province like northern Uganda will have its own curriculum. Karamoja will have its own curriculum. Buganda will have its own curriculum. Western Uganda. So that in Karamoja, the education system provided in Karamoja at a lower level is different from the one in Kampala. Because there is no need to teach somebody in Kampala cattle rearing, which is in Uganda they would be teaching even in Kampala cattle rearing, which is not there. So for them, they teach you to fit in the environment. It is only when you go past the high school that you are able now to teach and become a national figure with a national outlook. That's how sometimes we get people who have done agriculture. Down on agriculture, you go to Akalo, you cannot fish. Because you have been taught the Canadian fishing system, which is so motorized, so advanced, beyond your socio-economic dynamics. I think we are learning from that. And as UNATO and the country, we are taking that one up. And I think we have started to modify the curriculum, and that will continue. I'm also very grateful for UNATO because we are not only working for salaries as people think. Like now she's told you we are working on the empowerment of the teachers. UNATO does not only stand for salaries. No, it is socio-economic issues of the teachers are also very important. It is even more important than the teaching. I'm also very grateful to the media who are all represented here, and you really make us known, and you are really helping us. I'm also very grateful to the schools that have turned up. This has been initiatives, and each of the schools had to come here with their own transport. They had to contribute something for water. We don't take that for granted. And then specifically, the teachers who have come, we are very happy. For me, as the executive director of this school, let me tell you one thing. I got inspiration for Lango. And if there's somebody whose DNA is a Lango, it is Wisdom High School Director with me. I was in Kampala at Boko Mixed, where I supplied some books. So when I was meeting the teacher with a historian and an examiner, he asked me, Mr. Ogwal, can you get for me some teacher who can teach Lango? I said, why? But this is Buganda. Why do you want Lango here? He said, no, we have very good students here. There are only 4 in senior 5. Now 1 has come, there are now 5. Who are doing Lango? I said, what is the secret? He said, no, Mr. Ogwal, there's one thing. Arts now, if you want to excel, you take on the local languages. I said, how? He said, you see this school? This school is a Muslim school, founded school. And because it's a Muslim founded school, we survive on language. I said, how? He said, because these students are Muslim, almost 90% of them who do arts do Islam. And their language is also unique, Arabic. Because of that, we take them for Arabic. And then because most of them also Bagandans, they do Luganda. So you find somebody doing Luganda, Arabic, Islamic, 20 points. For you in northern Uganda there, you are there in economics, geography, history with a lot of analysis, you are getting, see, you cannot go to the university. You see, then it's open for me to pay. 20 points, Luganda, Islamic, and Arabic. I said, wow. Then I remember this now. When I came here, I was really converted. And the students I teach, they know. Some of them, I'm chasing them away from my history to learn now because I want to promote that. And we are ready to invest in them now. And Wisdom will do it. Please let us support it. Next time, organize, whether in town college, anything to do with a symposium for level, Wisdom will be the first school to reach. And to show that we are not joking, the best student, actually for your information, this three-quarter system for college, all the 6 were from Wisdom. The best is Bishop, who did level, and history. He is the best in quality district under the district water system. Then the second one is Tekropina, also Leblanc. So Leblanc has crossed Aruma, okay? And as these people have guided you, take Leblanc seriously. Because culture is the reason why we exist. The only thing is the cultural revolution that is taking place. Some of those innovative cultural practices, we have to modernize it academically. Although we cannot detach ourselves, where there are lessons we shall be learning. I'm very grateful for the people who have performed here. You are now making Leblanc a practical subject. Actually, for me today, I must confess I'm the happiest person. Why? I have learned a lot about Leblanc which I never knew. Now I'm a better Lao today than yesterday, before today. So Mr. Oki, I'm very proud that you are my son. You are now teaching me. Continue teaching me Leblanc and all of us. Because he has played a big role in this together with the language department of Wisdom High School. And lastly, let us value our culture. The ones that are good, we should value it. Then where we need to reform, we shall reform it together. Through drama, riddles, plays. These are the things that we use to produce critical thinkers. If you see Professor Pio, Akalo Pio, he likes a lot of those riddles. That is why he has a lot of wisdom. Because those riddles are all wisdom. King, then you respond. And that is what we went through. So thank you very much. I know time has gone, but I'm very happy for everybody who has stand up here. And I'm adding one thing. We should move forward to organize academic seminars. This is just part of it. It's just a part of it. So next time, we shall call all of you for Leblanc, even all other subjects. We shall be here with facilitators and talk about those serious issues from the beginning to the end, without drama, without music, and the music will be the facilitators and the students who shall be discussing different question interpretation and techniques. I have seen Komboni College. Where are you? If you come from Komboni College,